I need to let you guys know this. I know it doesn't seem that way because I like to make mischief. I like to mock people. I like to laugh. I love the fun and joke. But I have feelings too! What the fuck? Brother! It's one Clauze and never few. Hi who? AKA the Uptown Ambassador. AKA Ganja Clauze. AKA DJ Aki Bloom. And I'm here on the quest for hype and forward. Now people, I broke the internet. All I did was shave. Honestly, it was an accident. But like what somebody told me online, an accident is when you breed your girl. This was a deliberate decision. And I'm here to take advantage of my mistake, rather, or the momentum that was brought from it. And we're here to discuss the quest for hype and forward and all of the virality that's forwarded from it. It seems everybody and their mother is getting a bit of attention at my expense. I've seen some funny videos. I've read some funny comments. Come and relive my pain as I move forward on the quest for hype and forward.
Yes, so I have come to the conclusion that clearly I look like a fucking idiot. I must be a claffy of the highest order. Just look at me.
First of all, I just want to big up Bad Siki. He's one of the most talented and consistent content creators in all of Jamaica. Siki, I well want to tell you about your mother, but bro, me have to laugh. How did you even think to use my own voice for the thing, brother? God almighty, man. I'm going to make the quest people and put you up on the graveyard shift. You're not going to get to make no more TikTok, you fucker, yo. My God. Another video we saw from up forwarding content creator Prizzle, who I'm a big fan of as well.
I was sleep good last night. I'm a witness to events that took place yesterday. That you can't believe Mr. Ganja Clauze without him beard.
I can't believe it either.
Never sleep 100, but today's a new day, new opportunities. That
let me just tell you, Prizzle, you weren't the only one who couldn't sleep. All now I feel haunted. And anybody who's laughing at me, I'm going to haunt you too. Now we have the Guru, Shalom, with some positive advice that he gave me.
Do this again. Do me good. The man change up. I want nationality by shape. Because go back and be advised, brother.
Jano Meguru. Jano Meguru. My respect for the advice, son. But see when you tell me, say everybody have him time to get beaten, I have to just take my beating. Nothing else me can do, my guru. I just have to take my beating and wait me 2 weeks for my beard grow. Chaja, can't grow fast enough. Now, I saw some people who thought they were clever make a couple memes. This first one, the Foska Oats box, I saw put out on Twitter first by Galcina. Galcina, you will never see the gates of Zion. You won't get to feel the breeze of Zion's gate. I'm telling you, you won't get to feel the lovely breeze on Mount Zion, much as glimpse the gate. Galcina, I saw you, and I saw when you made, you photoshopped me on the $100 bill for Donald Sangster. $100? Really? You couldn't have a little more ambition than that, my brother? You couldn't put me on the 5,000? Oh God, man, stop it, man. The old $100 bill, people, I really look like Donald Sangster. I saw a couple more memes where they screen recorded my live don't even know what to say. How do you even think of that?
So the Times just came out with their top 100 creators.
No,
The Diary of the
yeah.
CEO is on
We'll can't edit it. I don't even know how they thought of that one. When you come home and your mother makes soup, we all know that pain. We all know that disappointment. Aye, it's real. Yo, some of the comments, no God, please. Uno wouldn't see that. Uno wouldn't see me around and tell me that, Eh? But you can get your little likes and your little shares and all them blood clot there. You see? No man. Aye. You have a next one where your face when they reject you from JDF. Fucking hell. I've been listening Chronicler from Thursday. And people, if you saw the comments on my own posts, I really don't know what to say. How do you guys think of some of these things to tell me? No, seriously. Somebody told me I favor a blooming Aki. Somebody told me I look like when a girl roll a spliff. Somebody said on my live, a young woman, she said me and her front is in competition. They say I need to start promoting nair and waxing. Dog. What? Some said I look like a lesbian. They said I favor a client. Somebody said my niece came back from summer camp and said I look like Uncle Ian from Alvin and the Chipmunks. I look like the villain from Alvin and the Chip. She didn't have internet at camp, so she didn't see the comments. How did she think of that? My nephew came over. I'm supposed to babysit him. Normally, we have to fight for getting him for go home, strap him in the car. And he's not a youth for say please or thanks, much less sorry. When he came home and his mother dropped him off, he went on his little iPad. He called his mommy and he said, "Mommy, can you please come for me?" His mother came so quickly she nearly crashed into the gate. He didn't cry, he didn't scream, he was visibly uncomfortable. The next time I see him, I promise I'm going to kick him down. He's 5, by the way. Some of these comments, you see, and the worst comments come from the original picture that I posted announcing my mistake.
You are now about to witness greatness. You are now about to witness greatness. You are now about to witness greatness.
I need to let you guys know this. I know it doesn't seem that way because I like to make mischief. I like to mock people. I like to laugh. I love the fun and joke. But I have feelings too. What the fuck? Brother.
You are now about to witness greatness.
I have feelings too.
You are now about to witness greatness.
Now, I've actually learned a few lessons. Yo, lock off the sound is fucking with me. I've actually learned a few lessons, people. The first lesson that I learned: be careful what you ask for. You just might get it. I've been looking for hype. I've been begging for forward. I should have asked for respect as well, because I've gotten the hype, I've gotten the forward, I've gotten the fame. At everybody laughing at my face and my name. Another lesson that I learned is, in order to reach the next level, you have to sacrifice your ego. Embarrassment is the cost of entry. If you want to make it, you have to set aside your pride. You have to set aside your shame. You have to set aside your embarrassment. And you have to be willing to take the beating. You have to be humble with your lashing, because everybody have for them time. And believe me, I want mine to end, but I need to make some money while I'm here. So please, people, like, share, subscribe, and join me on the next episode on the quest for hype and forward. One Clauze, never few. Hi, who? I'm out.